Crazy Eights is a fantastic design thinking activity that can get you thinking creatively and can help generate a good number of potential ideas in a very short amount of time. It's also pretty fun. The basic premise of Crazy Eights is that each designer has a piece of paper, fold it in half, then fold it in half again, then fold it in half one more time to give 8 rectangle pieces on the piece of paper. We should have a question or problem ready for our Crazy Eights activity, generally in the form of a how might we question. Sometimes we write the question at the top of the page, just to remind ourselves of what we're trying to brainstorm ideas for.
The rules are then as follows. You will have 40 seconds to put an idea in each box that could be a potential solution to the problem. This can be in pictures, words, or both, but 40 seconds is a short amount of time, so you don't want to go into your ideas in great detail. If you finish early, you can't move forward, and if you don't finish in time, you still need to go on to the next box. The brilliance of this activity is that while you'll put some ideas down that you've spent some time thinking about already, you end up coming up with some crazy ideas in the last few boxes because you have to think outside of the box, so to speak. The more you do this, the better you'll get at it. Sometimes I've had some learners who aren't quite able to generate 8 ideas, so I give them some suggestions, though I try to avoid this because I don't want them to all have the same 8 ideas as each other. But if they're stuck, these suggestions certainly help out quite a bit. When we're finished, I get the designers to designate each idea as a now idea, a wow idea, or a how idea. A now idea is an idea that can be implemented or carried out right away with not too much effort. A wow idea is an idea that requires a little bit of learning, but can be done if given some time. And a how idea is an amazing idea that we're just not sure where to start. Here are some more examples of what learners have come up with. I've also got a handy video timer that has 8 40-second intervals in it. Feel free to use this if you're doing any Crazy Eights with anyone. Remember, the point of this activity is to get a lot of different ideas, no matter how crazy they may be.